If you want to make melodies in BandLab, this tutorial is for you. Start by adding a virtual instrument and choose your preferred one. As you can see, this instrument is only for members, because there are many parameters that you cannot change if you are not a BandLab member. So let's choose something much simpler. I would stick with the grand piano. So, I already have a melody in my head, so I will try to play something. This video is only for educational purposes. So, let's change some settings. Instead of the tempo 120, you can select the tempo manually by clicking Tap Tempo or by manually selecting a tempo. And I would recommend you to turn on Count In recording. Set it to 1 bar to prepare yourself for recording. Now you should try to record yourself playing. Make sure to turn on the metronome on the bottom right corner. Okay, now because this is a MIDI clip, you can open it and change notes. You can also add more notes. So make sure to quantize them. Do it by going here, and now try to make those notes look like they are played perfectly. You can also add lower octave just to play with the melody. Try to change the positions of the notes and make them longer. Now try to play to see how it sounds like. I like it. Now you can add more instruments. I will add a guitar sound, for example. No, not these sounds. I want an electric guitar. Okay, now for the guitar you can make some melody like this. But you can make anything, like duplicate the thing that is played on the piano, but play it somehow more articulated. This melody is just an example. Delete some incorrect notes and make sure to quantize or extend. I just want to add one more sound, the pad. You can choose between these, but you can also go to the top bar and select pad sounds. This strongly depends on the sound that you want to achieve. This is my recommendation. You should use this if you want a basic sound. Make the pad sound quieter, because it's not very important. It just adds some color. And play some harmony. add some fifth or third notes to achieve a more colorful frequency range. Okay, this is the entire song. Although this song is just the beginning, it still misses some parts, like verse or chorus, and also it's missing the drum loop. I made a tutorial for drum sampler in BandLab long ago. You can also try to add some effects. Try this one. But this step is optional. It's just for adding some dynamics to the instrument. Feel free to play with the presets and various plugins for making your instrument sound different and more interesting. If you want more music production tutorials for both Ableton and BandLab, consider subscribing and I will be making more videos. Stay tuned and happy producing!